Our lesson today about convert metric units of mass. Now look to this video and listen.
The essential understanding for this lesson is multiplication and division are used to convert among different units of mass. Previously, students learned the relative size of metric units of mass and how to multiply and divide by powers of 10 to convert among metric units of length and capacity. In this lesson, students use multiplication and division to convert among different metric units of mass. This problem is key because students use what they know about multiplying and dividing with powers of 10 to convert among kilograms and milligrams. They are also asked to explain their work. Listen and look for students who convert larger units to smaller units in order to compare the number of milligrams, equivalent to 1 kilogram, to 137,000 milligrams. First, they recall that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is equivalent to 1,000 milligrams. So they multiply 1,000 grams by 1,000 to change it to milligrams. They find that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1 million milligrams. Since 1 million is greater than 137,000, 1 kilogram is greater than 137,000 milligrams. Listen and look for other students who convert smaller units to larger units in order to compare 1 kilogram to the number of kilograms equivalent to 137,000 milligrams. First, they divide by 1,000, or 10 cubed, to change 137,000 milligrams to 137 grams. Then they divide again by 1,000, or 10 cubed, to change 137 grams to kilograms. They find that 137,000 milligrams is equivalent to 137 thousandths kilogram. Since 1 is greater than 137 thousandths, these students also find that 1 kilogram is greater than 137,000 milligrams. All of these students show an understanding of how to use multiplication and division to convert among metric units of mass. This understanding will help them as they solve real-world problems that require converting units of measure.
Okay, here the most important thing is if you want to compare between two quantities, they must have the same unit. You have a choice to convert from kilogram to milligram by multiplying 1 million, or to change from milligram to kilogram by divided by 1 million. Okay, now look and listen to another video to more understanding.
How do you convert metric units of mass? Think about this question during the lesson. The three most commonly used units of mass are the milligram, the gram, and the kilogram.
Converting metric units of mass is like converting other metric units.
How would you order 1 gram, 1 kilogram, and 1 milligram from least to greatest unit of mass?
Okay, the least unit is milligram. Yes, the choice between number 3 and 4. So, and the greatest one is kilogram, and the moderate one is 1 gram. So, the fourth answer is the true one.
From least to greatest, the units of mass are 1 milligram, 1 gram, and 1 kilogram. A whistle has a mass of about 5 grams. How many milligrams is this? Should you expect more than 5 milligrams or fewer than 5 milligrams in 5 grams? Explain how you know. You should expect more than 5 milligrams in 5 grams. Milligrams are smaller units than grams, so there should be more of them. To change from a larger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. Find 5 times 10 to the third power. So, 5 grams equals 5,000 milligrams. So, a whistle has a mass of about 5,000 milligrams. How many kilograms is the whistle? To change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. Find 5 divided by 10 to the third power. So, 5 grams equals 0.005 kilogram. So, a whistle has a mass of about 0.005 kilogram. Now you know how to convert metric units of mass.
Okay, remember that 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram and 1 gram equal 1000 milligrams. Now we move to the practical part. Hi guys, now the practical part. Okay, open your book page 671. Our lesson today about how to convert metric units for mass. You must remember that 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram and 1 gram equal 1000 milligram. Question number 7. 17,000 grams equal how many kilogram? Okay, to convert from gram to kilogram, we convert from smaller to greater. So we must divide it by 1000. Okay, when we divided 1000, we remove 3 zeros. The answer it will be 17 kilograms. Okay, number 8, 18 kilogram equal how many gram? To convert from kilogram to gram, we convert from greater to smaller, so we must multiply. We multiply by 1000, so both 3 zeros, it will be 18,000. Number 9, 4,200 milligram equal how many gram? So we convert from milligram to gram, so we divide it by 1000. When we divide by 1000, we move the decimal point towards left. Okay, if we have 3 zeros, okay, like question number 7, we cancel 3 zeros and put 17. But here's just 2 zeros, put the decimal as the start of the number, then move the decimal point towards left 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 4.2 gram. From gram to milligram, we multiply by 1000. When we multiply by 1000, we move the decimal point towards right. So multiply towards right, and when we divide it, we move towards left. Now towards right 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 276. Put bigger than, smaller than, or equal 2000 gram and 3 kilogram. To compare between two quantities, they must have the same units. Okay, now we convert it from gram to kilogram or from kilogram to gram. Okay, I prefer to convert the bigger one to smaller by multiplying 1000. It will be 3000. So which is greater? 3000 is greater than 2000. Number 15, 10 to the power 4. It means how many zeros? Yes, 4 zeros, because the power represents the number of zeros. Now we have 10,000 milligram and 13 gram. Convert the gram to milligram by multiplying 1000. It will be 13,000. Now we have 10,000 and 13,000, which is greater. Yes, 13. The last one, number 20, grams and kilograms. When we convert it from gram to kilogram, we divide it by 1000, and when to convert it from kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1000. So convert 500 to kilogram, we divided 500 by 1000. It means we move the decimal point towards left 3 places, 1, 2, 3. It will be 0.5. And when to convert 5 kilograms to grams, so we multiply by 1000, it will be 5000. And when we convert from gram to kilogram, we divide by 1000, remove 3 zeros, it will be 50. Thank you and goodbye.